What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So Solana is absolutely killing it right now, and I want to discuss what's going on, and I also want to talk about Bonk, because I did make a video about Bonk, and I got a lot of people being pretty angry at what I had to say, so I want to discuss all of that in today's video. If you like to stay up to date with the whole cryptocurrency market and me talking about specific coins in each video, then this is the channel for you. Hopefully you have a second, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, let me know in the comment section down there which coins you want me to talk about and which are your favorite, so I know which ones to break down in each one of these videos. With that said, nothing in the video is financial advice, and my name is, of course, Connor Kenny. So jumping on, first of all, we are seeing Solana absolutely rocket $16.20. This is lovely to see. I'm very happy to see this. I actually released in my Patreon and my private Discord about how I thought that Solana was unfairly beaten down by everything that was happening with FTX. So I let everyone know about that. I think the price was around $11 at the time. So if you do want to stay up to date with my personal updates, of course, I can only update there far quicker than I can update on my YouTube channel. So if you do want to come over and join, there is a link down there in my description to Patreon. You can join for as little as $5. And if you do, and you don't like it in the first month, just drop me a message within Discord and I will give you a full refund for that month. No questions asked. All right. So just come over and check it out. We have an awesome community building there right now. But Solana right now up 20% just today, doing awesome. And I do think that this is happening mainly because it was just unfairly beaten down by the whole FTX drama. Of course, Sam Bankman-Fried was very closely tied to Solana, and a lot of people thought that they manipulated the price all the way up to that $300 plus region. And yes, they probably did, but that doesn't mean that Solana isn't worth, somewhere in the lower regions. And is $10 or, a market cap of probably around probably around $3 billion, $4 billion. Was that the fair, reasonable price for it? Or were they unfairly beaten down? Now, Solana is a project that is still in my long-term hold. I never sold out of it because there was something telling me that it didn't sit right with me that everyone was coming down on it so hard. And yes, it's gone through a lot. They've had hacks. They've had a lot of bad things. But if you put Solana's chart against Ethereum's chart back in 2018, Ethereum back in 2018, Solana now here in 2022, 2023, they look very, very similar. So Ethereum lost a lot of its gains in 2018, just like Solana is in this year. And this is very normal for cryptocurrencies. And remember, Solana is still in its infancy. But one thing to keep in mind is there are a lot of VCs that still have a lot of coins that are locked up. So every time there's an unlock, there will most likely be a dump. And a lot of these VCs may have a need to push out good news about Solana in order to pump the price for them to get a better price. So keep that in your radar when you are thinking about these price movements. Now, when you talk about Solana, we can't not talk about Bonk. Now, I made the video saying that this to me looked like an obvious cash grab. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. Of course, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, all of these would have looked the same at the start. But what differentiates them? What differentiates Bonk? This is the hardest thing to figure out, right? And for me, I can't really see anything that differentiates Bonk from the fact that they say that they're trying to help out people that were wrecked by Solana. I'm pretty sure that was the thing. And 50% of the tokens were airdropped. And people say that the rest of the development tokens are locked for, is it 6 months or 6 years? But whatever it is, I don't know that for sure, right? So for me, I've been looking, I'm trying to find a reason. What are they doing? Okay, they have some NFT collections, they have some raffles, they have some things like this, but I can't see anything so far that tells me that this is gonna hold any sort of value. Of course, we have meme coins like Shiba Inu and Doge that didn't do anything. They didn't do anything. Of course, in the recent bull market, they have done some things. They've, created different things to help them out, but they did start the same. So of course there is opportunity in these crazy things to do in crypto, but please guys, keep safe. If you didn't get this free airdrop since I made that video, the price of Bonk has come down significantly, right? Huge amounts, huge decrease here. We did have that continuation of the pump, but coming down as always because people take profits. When something like this happens, in any market situation, a bull market or a bear market, these huge parabolic moves, they nearly always come down. And in my opinion, and how I trade is when I see those euphoric moves, that's when I'm taking profit off the table. Yes, it might go higher. Yes, I might miss out on gains. But in my opinion, no one ever got broke taking profit. So that's how I do it. And that's what I see. Now I'm asking you guys, Let me know down there in the comment section if I'm missing something. I am open to missing something. There are so many opportunities in this market. It's unbelievable. We can make money in this market, right? We can do it even with crazy coins that don't look like they're going to make us any money, but those same coins can go to absolute zero. So I'm open to you guys' opinions. So let me know down there in the comment section if you see some value in this that I'm missing. I'm missing it. I've not invested into it. I'm not investing into it. You guys really need to do your research, and you really need to expect any investment that you do right now in this sort of market condition to go to absolute zero, because it's possible, right? At the end of the day, it's essentially gambling. So let me know down in the comment section. Hopefully I did provide you with some value or a little bit of a chat. If you do want to come over and chat to me, come and talk to me over on the Patreon. You can have direct access to me there, and I will see you guys over there and in the next video. Peace.